The more you work with Outlook, the more comfortable you'll get using it to communicate and share information with other people. In the previous movie, you saw one example of calendar sharing in the Scheduling Assistant. But you can do even more. For example, you can click Forward to email a meeting request to someone without actually inviting them. To the recipient, it looks a lot like a meeting request. They can accept tentatively, or decline. If you want to share your whole calendar, you have 3 options on the Home tab. Click Email Calendar to send a calendar in an email message. Click Date Range to select how much of your calendar you want to send. You can even enter a specific date range. Then click Detail to select how much information you want them to see. Availability only, just free busy information, limited details, or full details. Click OK, and the information is added to an email message. Now you can add recipients and click Send. The email method is good if you just want to send a snapshot of your calendar. But if you want people to be able to view your calendar like you do, then click Share Calendar. Enter the people you want to share it with on the To line, then select the level of detail you want to share. Select this checkbox to request permission to view the recipient's calendars. Then click Send. Click Yes to confirm that you want to share the calendar, and the email is sent. When your recipients open the message, they can read an explanation and some instructions for adding your calendar. All of this was added automatically by Outlook. When they click to add or open your calendar, Outlook switches to Calendar View, and their calendar appears next to yours. Since we gave this recipient permission to see full details, they can open a meeting or appointment and see everything. The only thing they can't do is change or add something, because they only have read permissions by default. If they want more room for their calendar, they can clear this checkbox. If you don't want a recipient to be able to see the details of an item, go to the Tags group and click this button to make it private. Now the people who share your calendar see Private Appointment and they cannot open the item. If you want to view or change sharing details, click Calendar Permissions and select a name. Then you have full control over what a recipient can see or do with your calendar. You can even give them write permissions. Calendar sharing is great for sharing with other people in your organization, but it's not always available if you want to share across the internet. So if you get a message like this, there's one more thing you can try. Click Publish Online, then publish this calendar. If you're connected to a service that provides online calendar sharing, you'll see something like this. Enter the detail you want users to see, the date range, and then choose Restricted or Public. If you choose Restricted, users on the internet will not be able to search for the link to your calendar. However, anyone who gets the link from you can send it to others. So you should only publish calendar information that you wouldn't mind sharing with any user on the internet. Click Start Publishing. Then send these links to people so they can access your calendar. So now you know the basics for using the calendar in Outlook 2013. Where do you go next? Well, try creating an appointment or meeting, and experiment with some options yourself. Also, experiment with the commands on the ribbon. Then check out the course summary for links to more information about using Outlook 2013.